These days, information moves at the speed of light. And staying connected is vital to our high-speed way of life. To keep us connected, the country relies on cable and fiber installation technicians from National OnDemand. Right now, National OnDemand is looking for people who want to build a career in this fast-moving industry.
Yeah, but definitely, like there is a lot of opportunities, so they definitely can come around and, there is more work.
A career where your pay is based on your productivity and is in your control.
Pay is great. It goes based on performance. I can do a lot of jobs and get paid by the amount of jobs that I do.
A career with a company that will give it to you straight. One who values honesty, integrity, and teamwork.
Yeah, you get a company vehicle you get to bring home, gas card, so you don't have to pay for fuel. They supply all the tools as well. You don't have to pretty much pay for anything.
By helping provide a digital future for the world, you can build a future for yourself at National OnDemand.